Looking for the perfect travel tumbler to keep your drinks icy cold all day? Meet the Stanley Adventure Quencher 40 ounces. This isn't just any tumbler. Its double-wall vacuum insulation guarantees your beverage stays chillingly cold for over 11 hours. Whether you're commuting, at the gym, or just tackling a busy day, staying hydrated has never been easier or more stylish. You'll love the reusable straw for easy sipping, and the comfort grip handle that makes carrying this 40 ounces water bottle a breeze. No more spills on your drive. Its genius design fits perfectly in most car cup holders, making it the ultimate on-the-go companion. Unlike other large tumblers, Stanley perfectly blends generous capacity with unmatched portability and insulation, truly setting a new standard for travel mugs. Ready to upgrade your hydration game? Check out the Stanley Adventure Quencher on Amazon now. Say goodbye to lukewarm drinks and flimsy containers. This insulated Stanley cup is built to last and perform. Click the link in the description to grab yours and experience the difference. For anyone searching for the best kitchen accessory of 2025 or the ultimate daily hydration solution, the Stanley Adventure Quencher 40 ounces is an absolute must-have.